Hello students, let us study English grammar, the preposition and their types. Let's see what is preposition. A preposition is a word that shows relationship between a noun or pronoun and some other words in a sentence. A preposition is always followed by an object, either a noun or pronoun. For example, the article about insects is interesting. Here, the preposition about shows the relationship between the words articles and insects. Let us see now types of preposition. First, that is simple preposition, compound preposition and phrasal preposition. Simple preposition. The words in single such as in, on, of, for, at, with, by, etc. are generally used as simple preposition. For example, the book is on the table. The birds are flying in the sky. Second, that is compound preposition. Compound preposition are those prepositions that are made by prefixing the preposition to a noun, an adjective or an adverb. Some common compound prepositions are amongst, amidst, above, around, along, across, about, below, beneath, beside, between, beyond, outside, within, without, etc. For example, the children ran around the bench. There is a friendly mouse inside my cupboard. Her beauty is beyond imagination. Third, that is phrasal preposition. These are grouped into phrases of 3 or more words that could include adverbs, verbs and other words that function as one phrasal preposition. Phrasal preposition includes the words such as in addition to, in spite of, an account of, as soon as opposed to, as far as, in reference to, on top of, with the exemption of, in front of, as long as, etc. For example, I was speaking in reference to the climate change issues. I stand here in front of you all to demonstrate my qualities as a great leader. On account of the new law enacted by the minister, our society is now able to declare their own taxes. So students, today we have seen the preposition and their types.